Hi everyone! Hello! Magandang araw sa inyo, sa lahat ng Taurus. Ayan. Kumusta? Sana sa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Sana okay kayo. By the way, I'm Mystico Moreno and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay? So this would be my first ever reading for Taurus Collective. So sana na mag-resonate sa inyo. Again, just a reminder, if hindi siya mag-resonate, don't force it. Dahil collective reading siya and it may or may not resonate sa inyong lahat. Okay? So, just take whatever resonates, leave everything else, or kung hindi man talaga, antayin nyo na lang yung susunod na Taurus collective reading. And ayan, so I will be doing Tagalog love reading using Oracle and Tarot cards. So, ito, ang gagamitin ko to show the overall energy of the reading. Itong Tarot card naman is for the details. And these two other Oracle cards are the advice from the universe. Okay, so simulan na natin, okay? Ayan. So, na-pre-shuffle ko naman na siya. Shuffle ko na lang ulit. And, let's see. Habang sinashuffle ko itong card na to, papasalamat muna ako sa inyong lahat na nakasubaybay. Ngayon, bago pa lang itong YouTube channel ko, pero sana supportan niyo. So, paki-like naman ng video na to. Subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa mga susunod pang videos. And comment kayo kung na-resonate yung video nito sa inyo. Okay? So, buwan ng mga puso. Let's see, ano bang energy na masasagap ko sa Taurus Collective with regards to love. So, I'll draw the second card because it's very keep going, don't give up. Okay? Very straightforward naman ang card nito. So, the path is open into your head. Okay. So, it's quite obvious ano yung mensahe ng oracle card na to. So, when it comes to love, don't give up. Kung meron man kayong recent heartbreak, huwag mawalan ng pag-asa. Ibig lang sabihin nun, hindi siya yung taong para sa inyo. And the universe just help you remove that person in your life so that magbukas yung puso mo, di ba? Sa tamang tao or sa taong gusto ni universe para sa'yo. Okay? Ayan. So, huwag mo wala ng pag-asa, di ba? Kasi the moment you give up, wala na, di ba? Kahit nandiyan na sa harap mo yung taong para sa'yo, di ba? Kung give up ka na, wala rin, di ba? So, push lang ng push, di ba? Hanggang matapos. Alright. So, sige. Let's see. Ano bang mensahe ng universe sa Taurus Collective? So, magdodraw ako ng 10 cards and whatever the spread shows, so I'll interpret it as based on my intuition and the downloads from the universe. Diba? Okay, habang binabalasa ko ulit to, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and i-share nyo na rin sa mga ilang kakilala ng Taurus para mabigyan din sila ng guidance when it comes to love this month of February. Okay. Let's see. Enjoy the second card. Six of Wands. Wow, reward agad. Nine of Wands. Three of Wands. Wow, puro wands, ah. The Star. The Emperor. Okay. Queen of Coins. Ace of Coins. The Hangman. Oops. The World. Ay, wow. Ang ganda ng reading, ah. Okay. And Ten of Wands. Okay. And what you don't see coming is the Eight of Coins. Okay. Okay. So, Six of Wands. Ang sinasabi, universe, again, there's a reward when it comes to love. Pero, kakailanganin mo na maging persistent. Okay? And, dapat determined ka when it comes to love. Again, yun nga, yung overall energy ng card mo is don't give up. Okay? Maaari na again, ito yung nasasagap mo energy for the Taurus Collective. Maaari na before merong naganap when it comes to your love life that resulted na parang, ay, ayoko na magmahal. Di ba? Ayoko nang umibig pa, ganung level. Pero, sinasabi ni Universe is, huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Push mo lang. Push mo lang yan. Pag may dumating, try mo. Di ba? And, sinasabi dito kasi din na, puro wands. So, it's a fire energy. So, it's about your desire. So, and, sinasabi dito na parang you really desire to be loved and to find true love. Okay? So, there will be some romance coming. So, City of Wands is a card of romance. Okay? And that's what actually you're hoping for. So, pag lumabas tong star card, make a wish. And so, it's something that you're really hoping for. And yung darating na person has this stability and security. Okay? When it comes to attachment, okay, if you're familiar with the different attachment styles, so, secure attachment siya. It means, alam niya kung anong gusto niya when it comes to love. Diba? So, he's emotionally available, emotionally mature, and ito yung tao na ayaw din ng mga paligoy-ligoy pa. Okay? So, ikaw na parang ayaw mo ng love, so alisin mo na siya sa isip mo because someone's really coming who's very secure and stable when it comes to his emotions, and he knows what he wants, he or she. It doesn't have to be a guy. So it's wala namang gender ang tarot reading. Okay? But sa Emperor is someone na yun nga, sigurado siya kapag sinabi niyang gusto ka niya, mahal ka niya, alam niya yung sinasabi niya, paninindigan niya yun. Okay? So, Queen of Coins, again, it's card of prosperity, diba? And your love will be very prosperous, okay? Abundant, diba? May kakaroon ka ng feeling of comfort once you meet this person. Hindi ka na magdadalawang isip pa, parang ganun. So, and si Ace of Coins is again a card of abundance and security. So, parang double confirm lang yan na yung darating na person is someone who will make you feel secure sa relationship, diba? Yung hindi ka na mag-aanlinlangan pa or magkakaroon ng worries and anxiety na mahal ba niya ako? Gusto ba niya ako? Kasi itong taon na darating, yes, uulitin ko na itong taong darating sa buhay mo, sigurado siya sa intentions niya sa'yo. So, dapat ikaw din, diba? Kasi, well, relationship is a two-way thing, diba? And kaya it shows here dito, kaso meron nga sa'yo, parang ang magbo-block sa'yo for this to happen is yung uncertainty na meron sa'yo. Kasi I have this feeling talaga na yung uncertainty na yun, ang cause niya is something that happened in the past that led you to feeling na parang ayaw mo na nga, di ba? Pero kaya may card of uncertainty dito kasi parang ayaw mo na pero gusto mo talaga. Okay? So doon ka na sa gusto mo talaga. Okay? Because the world card is showing. Okay? So the world card is a card of fulfillment, completion. Okay? So, and card of celebration, happiness, basta masaya lang, di ba? In love na in love sila, ganyan. Siyempre, di ba? Kasi, if not, di ba, you might end up with excuse me. Okay, you may end up with something that will burden you internally. Diba? Kapag hindi mo, pag nag-stay ka sa pagiging uncertain mo when it comes to love, ikaw din yung may hirapan. Ikaw din yung magkakaroon ng mga burdens and internal struggles, diba? Na parang shit. Tama ba to? Tama ba tong decision ko? Tama ba tong ginagawa ko? Tama ba to na susuko na ako pagdating sa pag-ibig? Diba? So, again, the overall energy always points to not giving up. So, push lang yan. Kaya mo yan. Okay? Kasi lahat naman tayo may mga pagdadaanan. Not just in love, but in other aspects of our lives. Pero what's important is we have faith na malalampasan natin yon and that something better will come our way or in our life. Okay? And what you don't see coming is the Eight of Coins, which is a card of accomplishment or dedication or focus din nga sa paparating or sa taong makikilala mo na magbibigay sa'yo ng security. Okay? So, it doesn't make or break naman the reading. So, however, again, sinasabi dito from Six of Wands, you may end up sa Ten of Wands imbis na the World if you decide to stay undecided. Tama ba? Di ba? Because being undecided uh, sa isang sitwasyon is still a decision. Decision pa rin natin yun na huwag mag-decide. Gets? Okay? So, sige, magpunot tayo ng oracle for the advice from the universe. So, basa natin siya. So, again, habang binabalasa ko ang cards na ito, pakilike naman ang video and subscribe na rin kayo, di ba? Para updated kayo sa mga susunod pang love reading. Diba? So, maraming salamat sa lahat ng Taurus na nanonood ngayon. Sobrang excited ako kasi nga first collective reading ko para sa signing. And I look forward to having more readings like this. And para magkaroon din kayo ng guidance. Again, ang tarot reading and oracle reading are not set in stone. Okay, it's just guidance for you. Lahat tayo ay may free will kung anong gusto natin gawin in life. So, it's just a guidance. And nasa sa'yo na yun if you will follow what advice the universe is telling you in this reading. Diba? So, and again, if hindi siya nag-resonate sa inyo, huwag pilitin. Diba? Ayan, passion. Diba? Hindi mo, puro once card ka. Diba? Halos once card ka. Okay? And it's a fire energy, yung mostly fire energy yung lumalabas, especially the Emperor, because the Emperor is Aries energy, okay, which is a fire sign as well. So pwedeng Aries yung dumating sa life mo. Nag-resonate din si Aquarius as well as si Pisces, okay, and Leo, Taurus, Aquarius na sabi ko na, saka Scorpio din. So hindi kailangan ganun, pero yun yung strong energies na nasasagap ng reading na to. Okay, so mostly fire signs. Oops, nasog. Sorry. And okay. So what's the supporting card for the advice from the universe? Okay. Mistletoe. Alright, let's see what the mistletoe means. So, si mistletoe is it's a card of love, peace, and luck. Alright, that's good, diba? So, it's about passion and about love. So, again, just continue to be passionate when it comes to love. Don't give up. Diba? Magkaka-align lahat ng messages from the universe from beginning to end. So, don't give up. Just continue that fire in you. That passion when it comes to love. Okay. Kasi the moment you give up again is the moment na wala na. Di ba? Parang sa life yan, di ba? Pag give up ka na sa life, di ba parang ayaw mo na, parang wala nang hope, ganun. Pero meron talaga. And again, it's a choice na kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Ayan. So, sana nag-resonate ang reading na ito sa inyo, Taurus. And thank you again sa panonood. And sana natulungan kayo nito when it comes to making a decision. Okay? So, magnilay-nilay kayo after this reading. Okay, again, maraming salamat. Ako muli, si Mystico Moreno. And kita-kits sa susunod na collective reading. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment na kayo below kung nag-resonate. Ayun, maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Ingat!